Welcome to the RENA Digital Twin. Now your RENA Digital Twin is loaded, you are presented with the main viewer, floor plans, side menu. Navigate your digital twin by selecting the forward arrows and markers. Zoom in and out of any areas of interest using your mouse's scroll wheel or trackpad. Turn 360 degrees in any direction to your preferred viewing angle. Points of interest are highlighted throughout the digital twin. Pop-up menus provide a gateway to information such as videos, e-learning resources and real-time data from our SERTICA database. Select any deck from the drop-down menu and select a hotspot for direct access to that area. The deck plan also provides a useful radar function which indicates your angle of view. You can toggle the deck plans anytime by selecting this button. The side menu provides useful shortcuts to areas of interest and system plans. Enjoy your digital twin.